and welcome to Vietnam.
Early morning today because they're coming to pick us up for a tour on the Mekong Delta, which should be beautiful but very touristy, but we wanted to do it anyway, so we'll see how that goes.
And we got the morning grass right here.
And how does the egg coffee taste? Creamy. And off we go to the train station on our way to Hoi An. We have survival food for the 17 hours. Let's go. Hey there. So we found our place in the train. On to Da Nang, 17 hours. We were in bad luck and we have the bunk beds. We'll see how it goes. Wish us luck.
So today we're doing the high pass on our scooter, but now we made a stop in Marble Mountains and it's super busy. This is okay. Look there. There are so many tourists.
Stop number 2 on the Fun High Pass. We're drinking a salty coffee and the coconut coffee. It's really strange because it's salty, but it's still good. And the coconut coffee tastes like coconut. Cheers! I do like the Vietnamese coffee. We're at the Imperial City in Hoi. As you see, there's groups of school children here and they just come here for the day to practice English. And they asked me and Michiel if we had 10 minutes to talk with them, and we did. It was really fun actually, and a little bit funny. We talked about food, favorite colors, and hobbies, dreams. It's quite, yeah, it was nice. So there isn't a lot of information in the Imperial City. You can get an audio tour though, but we didn't. But it's really lovely to walk around. It's not that crowded, which is a pleasure. So, and it's very green and calm because, well, there's no cars or scooters allowed. So it's special. And I like that actually not everything is restored. This is where we had dinner. So the fun thing about Hoi is that in the evening, in the center, they make the streets for pedestrians only. So we're leaving Hoi. We're taking the night bus to Ninh Binh. So we arrived in the dark. And this is our breakfast view. So I'm not totally rested, but today we're going to bike around Ninh Binh and Trang An, and we're going to the boat tour with our bikes. Really special atmosphere. There's temple complexes on the islands and the water. It's really serene and calm. It's not too many people either. Yeah, it's nice, lovely vibe. We just went to the Hang Moi Cave and the viewpoints with all the stairs and the dragon on top. And the view was nice, but it's very crowded and touristy. It wasn't such an awesome experience, but we've done it now. We went for lunch and took a bit of a rest because I'm still a bit ill because of the food poisoning. But I'll show you our room for €9 a night. 2 beds, beautiful curtains, tail lights, and the bathroom is typical like we always have here. Shower right next to the sink and right next to the toilet. Just wanted to show you what our budget brings us here. So we're at the hospital cave in Kaba. But it is impressive to have such a big cave and to imagine that people lived there and stayed there, and they had hospitals there during the war. Yeah,